we'll guide you through how to compare Meta AI with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser on your desktop and go to the official websites for both Meta AI and ChatGPT. For Meta AI, type in the URL for Meta's AI platform, which is typically found on Meta's main corporate site under the AI section. For ChatGPT, head over to the OpenAI website and navigate to the ChatGPT section. Once you're on the Meta AI page, look for the Features and Capabilities section. Here, you can find information about its latest models, performance benchmarks, and unique features like personalized AI interactions and its integration capabilities with other Meta services. Take note of these features as you'll want to compare them directly with ChatGPT. Now, switch over to the ChatGPT page on OpenAI's website. Look for similar sections that outline ChatGPT's functionalities, recent updates, and any new capabilities. OpenAI often highlights the conversational improvements and real-world application examples of ChatGPT, which can be crucial for your comparison. As you browse through both platforms, pay attention to the ease of use, subscription models, and any community feedback or testimonials available. This will give you a better understanding of the user experience and cost-effectiveness of each AI model. Remember, both platforms might offer demo versions or trial periods, so take advantage of these to test their capabilities directly. By analyzing these aspects, you can make an informed decision about which AI better suits your needs, whether it's for personal use, business applications, or development purposes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.